Hello and welcome. I'm Tony, and that's Nolan. And we're going to bring you another video. So on the last video, I showed you why my Photon, or not why, but how my Photon wasn't working with the particle app. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So again, I'll just demonstrate how mine wasn't working. So this is what mine was doing when I would go to my Tinker app. I would click on D7, that's supposed to be that little LED light up. You can see it just says device error communication with device. So I thought mine was broken, and a lot of times it would show like a red light, so I'll go back and I'll try and reflash it real quick. So you go there, reflash, you'll see it do a couple things. It's reconnecting, it's loading that. So now it's breathing, so it's good to try it again. So I go back to Tinker. I'm going to try it again. Digital right. And you can see it's flashing red. So that's that communication error. So now I'm going to show you how to rewrite the firmware. We'll be good to go. Alright, so now you have to go to your computer, go to build particle.io/build, and then that, I believe those numbers there are for my Photon itself. So when you come into here, you go to codes, you'll have, we'll go to library or examples. So you can see there's example codes or apps, blinking LED, web connected, function, publish, subscribe, Tinker. So Tinker is what we want. So for whatever reason, the Photon doesn't have that firmware anymore, and we're about to reload it. So all you have to do is go to Tinker. I'm just going to click on this one because I've already saved it. So it's the same code. I haven't altered it. You just click on it. It automatically loads it into your code prompt, whatever you want to call this, the interface. And I'm not touching anything. Everything is already wrote by somebody. So it's all set. Now all I'm going to do is come over here and flash it. So this is going to flash that code firmware back onto this Photon, and we'll be good to go. So I'm going to press it. You can see it scrolling there. In a second. Alright, so it's loading, it's doing its stuff. It says flash was successful, your device is being updated. So now it's breathing again. So now we're going to go back to here. And you can still see it says Tinker, so we're going to go to Tinker. Alright, we're going to go to D7. We're going to go back to digital right. Now you can see it is showing low, so I'll press low and we should see that light up. Boom. Turn it back off. Now I'm also going to show you that it'll work for this too, so that's DO. I'm going to write it so it's low, and if I have this backwards because polarity matters, then it just won't come on. So I'll press it. You can see it didn't come on, so I'll just flip it around. Boom. I can turn it back off. And that's all there is to it. So all it was, is if you're getting that, is the setup on here. It wasn't able to reflash it to your Photon, even though it says reflash and it loaded and blah, 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 blah. So you have to go to the build.particle.io and you should be straight. So yeah, I hope this video helps, and then we're going to have some more stuff coming because we're going to build, what are we going to build?
Walkie talkies.
Yeah, we're going to build walkie talkies so we can talk to each other right next door. Alright, that's it.